Water, simple, clear, and powerful. Yet it's one of God's greatest gifts to the body He created. Every drop you drink reminds you of renewal, the way God refreshes your soul when life feels dry. Just as water cleanses the body, faith cleanses the heart. When you stay hydrated, you're not only caring for your health, you're honoring the temple God gave you. Water strengthens your energy, clears your thoughts, and helps your body heal. But beyond science, it's a symbol, a living reminder that God's blessings flow continuously, washing away worry and fatigue. So, today, let every sip be more than a routine. Let it be a moment of gratitude. Because every glass you drink is God's gentle whisper. I refresh you, I restore you, I give you life. Stay grateful. Stay faithful. Stay refreshed. Follow at Mamiya K6D for more faith, health insights, and inspiration.